Good morning, children. I hope you all are well and good, staying safe at home, utilizing your time in studies. So, today I am here with a new lesson. I hope you all must have understood the previous chapter, which I had explained, that was about leaving the valley, and done the question answers and word meanings in your copies. So, let's start. The miracle. What comes to your mind when you read this topic? The miracle. What is the meaning of this topic? The miracle simply means an unexpected thing which happens in your life. We call it a miracle, isn't it? A lucky thing that happens that you did not expect or think was possible, and it happens surprisingly. You call it a miracle. So now let's read the story and then we'll come to know that what miracle has happened in this story. The miracle is adapted from Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Alright, so spot the knot. Which of the following statements are not true? Now, in this, you will have to write it yourself. Okay, read out these statements, and if you think it's true, you can write T just beside that. If false, write F. I'll be giving you the answer for this, but after the explanation. Okay. Now see, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory is about an 11-year-old boy named Charlie Bucket who lives in a small house with his parents and 4 grandparents. So this story is about a boy who is of 11 years old and whose name is Charlie Bucket. He lives with his parents and grandparents, 4 grandparents, in a very small house. Willy Wonka, a rather strange chocolatier, has hidden 5 golden tickets in chocolate bars. Now, Willy Wonka is chocolatier means a person who makes or sells chocolates. Alright, and he was quite strange, unusual. Why? That will come to know. So, he had hidden 5 golden tickets in chocolate bars. Those who find the tickets win a visit to the chocolate factory and get a lifetime supply of chocolate. So this was the condition, okay, that if somebody finds out the golden ticket, would get the opportunity to visit the chocolate factory and get a lifelong supply of chocolate. Means for all of the person's life, for all of his life, he would get chocolate. The company would supply chocolates throughout his life. 4 tickets had been found. So they had already found 4 tickets. Now let's read what happens when Charlie tries for the last ticket with a few coins that he has. Now Charlie is also willing to get that ticket, the last one, and he tries for it with a few coins which he had. Now let's see whether he finds it or not. Charlie entered the shop and laid the damp 50 pence on the counter. Now Charlie entered, he gets into the shop and then he put the damp 50 pence on the counter. He gives 50 pence on the counter. He keeps it on the counter. Pence means, a small brown British coin. And damp means a little wet. One Wonka's Whipple scrumptious fudge mellow delight, he said, remembering how much he had loved the one he had on his birthday. So he remembers that he had loved that chocolate a lot, and he had eaten that chocolate on his birthday, and he remembers that, how tasty it was. Children are very fond of having chocolates. Even we all are, elders are also fond of having chocolates. So he also remembers that how happy he was and how tasty it was to eat that. The man behind the counter looked fat and well fed. He had big lips and fat cheeks and a very fat neck. Now the man was very fat. The shopkeeper, you can say. He was very fat and having big lips and fat cheeks. He was well fed. He had good food regularly. Okay, so if you eat healthy food, you'll grow healthy. So he was a healthy man. The fat round his neck bulged out all around the top of his collar like a rubber ring. So you must have seen a rubber ring, right? So the fat around his neck was all out. out all around the top of his collar we have in our shirt, no? So it was coming out of that like a rubber ring. He turned and reached behind him for the chocolate bar. So he turned back. He turned and reached behind him for the chocolate bar, and then he turned back again, and after getting the chocolate he turned back again to Charlie and handed over that chocolate to him. And Charlie was very fond of having that chocolate. He quickly grabbed it and quickly tore off the wrapper and took an enormous bite. Enormous bite means he took the chocolate in his hand, he just quickly tore off the wrapper, and extremely large, a very big bite he took, very big bite of that chocolate. Then he took another and another, and oh, the joy of being able to cram large pieces of something sweet and solid into his mouth. So after taking an enormous bite, he started taking another and another and another bite. So he started eating it, and after that he pushed the large piece of that sweet solid chocolate into his mouth. The sheer blissful joy of being able to fill one's mouth with rich solid food. So the shopkeeper, looking at the boy eating that chocolate, he says that the sheer blissful means he was completely happy with the joy of being able to fill his mouth with that chocolate, with rich solid food. You look like you wanted that pleasantly. You look like you wanted that one, Sony, the shopkeeper said pleasantly. So, looking at the boy having the chocolate, the shopkeeper said that it seemed that you wanted it for a long time. You wanted this chocolate, Sony. So, Sony is, used by an older person as a familiar form of address for a young boy. Okay, like in India, small children are called beta. Yes, so in that way, Sony, he called Sony to that boy. Alright, so this much for today. Okay, I hope you all have understood, you all have got a hint of this chapter and the miracle in it. Read this chapter properly and try to understand each and every line of it. Underline the hard words, find out the meanings, and try to frame sentences. Even if I don't say you to write it, you can just find out the meaning and write the sentences in one of your copies and get it done. So the remaining part I'll be explaining you in my next audios. Till then, read it, try to understand, and one more question, that what miracle has taken place or what event in your life has happened to which you will be able to call, to which you would call a miracle. Alright.